Welcome to CCK Live Under 5. I'm Emma Peterson, and today we're going to be talking about how to use a VA disability calculator. So this is one of everyone's favorite subjects, VA math. So veterans with one service-connected disability don't need to do VA math or worry about how to combine their rating. Whatever your single rating is will directly correspond to your monthly compensation amount. However, those with multiple service-connected conditions and multiple ratings will have to calculate a combined disability rating. A VA disability calculator is a tool designed to help veterans figure out their combined disability ratings without having to deal with confusing VA math. While it may seem like calculating a combined disability rating requires only simple addition, it quickly turns into calculating percentages of percentages. A VA math calculator tool can give veterans an idea of what to expect from their VA disability claims. It also accounts for additional factors, including qualifying dependents, rating considerations such as the bilateral factor, special monthly compensation like aid and attendance or higher, or any additional benefits that can increase the monthly payment a veteran receives. So how do you go about using a VA disability calculator? You quickly start by selecting your various ratings. You want to make sure to include both extremities. So for example, if you have a 10% for one knee and a 20% for another, you want to make sure that you're clicking, whatever tool you're using, whatever calculator you're using, that you're using both knees. You want to add in your qualifying dependents, select your marital status, include any other special considerations. You can always go back, delete, and reset factors if you need to correct a mistake. And then after you click submit, you'll see your potential VA combined rating and your monthly payment amount. And it's important to use one of these calculators or tools because, as I noted, VA combines. So they don't just add up your percentages. They take a percentage of whatever part of you is not disabled and combine it with that, and it really gets confusing. So I strongly encourage everyone out there to go and use a VA disability calculator when trying to determine their combined rating. For more information on VA math and that combination and disability ratings themselves, please check out our blog. Also be sure to check out our back pay calculator to help you figure out any potential retroactive benefits you might be entitled to. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. Thanks for watching.